GB News star Emily Carver joins the chorus of outrage as a UK cinema chain cancels the premiere of a free speech documentary, sparking a heated debate. The documentary, Think Before You Post, explores the rise of speech police and threats to free speech in the UK. The premiere was set to take place at Rich Mix on November 25th, but the cinema chain decided to cancel the event, citing a mismatch between the film's content and their values. This decision has ignited a passionate response from various figures, including Carver, who emphasizes the need for such a documentary. She questions the motives behind the cancellation, suggesting that it may be a reaction to the film's controversial nature. Andrew Doyle, a fellow presenter on the People's Channel, criticizes the decision, warning that it could have negative consequences for the arts venue. Helen Joyce, an author, adds a layer of irony to the situation, suggesting that the documentary's theme of censorship is being censored. Graham Linehan and musicians Right Said Fred also express their disapproval, highlighting the absurdity of a film about free speech being canceled. Despite the controversy, the team behind the documentary, Spiked, remains determined to release it. Editor Tom Slater asserts their commitment to free speech and their refusal to be silenced by the cinema's decision. The debate surrounding this cancellation raises important questions about the balance between free speech and the values of certain institutions, and it invites further discussion and reflection.